and your audios can be on mute. And before we start today's class, इसके पहले कि हम आज का क्लास स्टार्ट करें, first of all, clap for yourself. Clap, clap, all of you clap. I will tell why I'm telling you to clap, but clap for yourself first. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Okay, so I told you to clap for yourself because you all did a great job with your first assignment जो मैम ने आपको मंडे के दिन दिया था, and it was about MS Word and you all have done it so brilliantly. आपके पेरेंट्स ने मेरे साथ आपका होमवर्क शेयर किया है और मेरे सारे बच्चों ने इतने अच्छे से वो किया है. So it's so nice to see. So are you all excited to learn something new today? Are you all excited? So this is a yes, this is a no. So are you all excited? Great, I can see so many thumbs up raised. Wow. Yes, wow, that's nice. So today what we are going to learn, आज हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं? Today we are going to learn Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. आज हम PowerPoint presentation सीखने वाले हैं. How to make presentations, how to make it so colorful. जब मंडे के दिन क्लास हुआ था, everyone was there. So you remember शिवानी मैम ने एक स्क्रीन शेयर किया था, and my picture was there. शिवानी मैम्स picture was there. याद है? याद है? देखा हुआ कुछ याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mayank remembers it. Okay, Siddhant also remembers it. So today I am going to teach you how to make PowerPoint presentations. हम PowerPoint presentations को कैसे बनाएंगे वो आज हम देखने वाले हैं. Okay, so I will quickly share my video screen with you all so that you all can follow it. Okay, great, good to go. So हम वैसे ही फॉलो करेंगे सीक्वेंस को. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लिक ऑन द लेफ्ट, देन गो टू न्यू एंड देन देयर इज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड पुट टुडेज डेट. सो टुडे इट्स 21st 07 2021. So your folder is ready. Click on the folder. Okay, and also I would request the kids not to do any kind of drawing on the screens. No scribbling. Thank you. Okay. I will show again how it's done. You click on the left cursor. Then there is an option of new. You click on new, then there is an option of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation here. So you click on that and your folder is ready. Okay? So जिन लोगों का ये screen open हुआ है, give me a thumbs up. If this screen is open, give me a thumbs up. Yes, Arjun. Okay, Vedant, Balaji. Okay. अगर आपका भी स्क्रीन ऐसे ही दिखाई दे रहा है, so just give me a thumbs up. Yes, Mayank. Nice. Okay, so parents, if you're using two devices, make sure that one device is placed diagonally or one device is placed across so that I can see the child's screen where the child is working. If you're using two devices, then you can place it that way. आप साइड से रख सकते हो so that I can see what they are doing on the screen. Okay, great. So I will just give another minute for you to open Microsoft presentation. Once you are done, show me a thumbs up. Very good, Anmol. Very nice. Vedant. Good. Good. Yes, Siddhant. Good. I can see everyone's thumbs, okay? So keep your energy high and you can show me a thumbs up always. Great. Okay. So now we go to the next step. अब ये सब screen open हो गया है. This all screen is open in front of you. Now we go to the next step. Very simple. You go here to the left side. You can see here there is an option of new slide. Okay. So you click on the new slide and there are so many options here. Okay. There are so many options coming here. There are 9 options altogether. 9 options. So we are firstly going to go. We will go here. Okay. Yeah. We go here and we click on the title slide. We have to first create the title, right? अगर हम कोई भी presentation कर रहे हैं तो पता तो होना चाहिए कि हम किस topic के बारे में presentation कर रहे हैं. So we'll first go for the title slide. So quickly click on the title slide and see. My title slide is here. Yes. Very nice. I can see the kids doing it. Good. Okay, Abhigyan. Okay, Vamsi.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Pranjali. Good. Good. Arjun, good. Nimisha, good. Good. All doing great job. Good. Nice. Good. Now what are we going to do? We have to decide the title, right? Okay, so I can see Mayank and Ayush have raised hand. So that is because you are done? That is the reason why you have raised hand, or you want to say something to me? आपको मुझसे कुछ बात करनी है?
No, ma'am, I have done.
Oh, you have done. That's why you raised your hand. Okay, thank you so much, Mayank. Thank you so much, Ayush. Okay, so now
Yes.
we are going to go to the next step. Here we are going to put the title. So आज हम किस बारे में presentation करेंगे? What do you think? We should make presentation on what? आपको किस बारे में presentation करना है? मतलब किस चीज के बारे में slides बनाए? Should we make it about our family? Family के ऊपर बनाना है presentation?
Yes.
Yes.
चलो, संजीवनी ने yes कहा है. So let's
Yes.
go and let's write my family. And here on ये जो सबसे बड़ा वाला बॉक्स है इस पे my family आएगा. Then you click on the छोटा वाला जो बॉक्स है उस पे आप क्लिक करोगे and then you will write by and you will write your own name. Okay? कौन कर रहा है ये प्रेजेंटेशन? आप बना रहे हो ना? So you will write your name.
Yeah.
And मैंने जैसे वर्ड में सिखाया था, the things are same here. So if you want to change the font, you can do it from here. If you want to change the size, you can do it.
Yeah.
If you want to change the color, you can do it. Okay?
Yeah.
You can select whichever font that you want. So I'm deciding the font and the size. So ये रहा मेरा font, ये है मेरी size. अब see. Very nice. So मैंने word में already आपको सिखाया है. So you know how to select a font and how to select the size and the color. Good, Arjun.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ishan. Okay,
Ma'am.
great. Yes. मैम के बाद बच्चा अपना नाम बोलो.
संजीवनी.
Sanjeevni. Yes, Sanjeevni, you're done. Great. Okay. Good, good.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Done.
Mama.
Good, good.
Mama, I also done.
Yes, you're done. Very nice.
Mama.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I also done.
Good. Those who are done, quickly give me a thumbs up. Yes, very nice.
Ma'am, I
Balaji.
also done.
Very nice, Kishan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yay. Great. Now this was our first slide. ये क्या है? हम जो presentation कर रहे हैं, what is this? This is we are going to talk, we are going to explain a topic. हम किसी चीज के बारे में सामने वाले को बता रहे हैं, चीज समझा रहे हैं. So ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. It's very important that we have a title towards it. अगर हम directly बात करना start कर देते हैं, जैसे for example आपके जो notebooks होते हैं या जो आपके textbooks है, okay? इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक है या साइंस टेक्स्ट बुक है, अगर उसमें चैप्टर का नाम ही नहीं है तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा विच चैप्टर यू आर गोइंग टू रीड? सो दिस which what we have done is the title. It is just like the chapter's name, which is very important. So we can't miss out on that. So now we have given the title. अब हमें पता है कि हम My Family के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. Now again we are going to go towards the left side. We are going to click on the new slide and we are going to select the second slide here. जो title and content वाला slide है ना, ये वाला slide हम select करने वाले हैं. So that is going to be our second slide. So click on that. So your second slide will come like this. Very nice. Yes, Balaji has done it.
I think
Good.
Avigyan has a doubt.
Avigyan has a doubt.
Yeah.
Yes, Avigyan.
Can you thumbs
Please
up?
let me know what doubt you have.
मैम कहाँ से शुरुआत हुआ मुझको समझ में नहीं आई.
Okay, मैम start कहाँ से करना है?
यस मैम.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, friends. So we will just stop here for a minute. We'll just help our friend here how to start, so we can go ahead. Okay, ma'am. So firstly, we will click on the left side, left cursor. You will get an option of new. आपको एक नया ये open होने का option आएगा. When you click on that, there is an option of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this option will come. So once you click on this option, a slide will open. आपको एक नया slide open हो जाता है, एक नया folder open हो जाता है. And when you click on that new folder, there is an option of new slide on the left side.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Very nice. Great. Good. All of you doing so nicely. Yes. So now we come on the next second slide जो है, which is title and the content slide. So now we will start writing about it. Okay. So we are going to write about it. I will just increase the size for you all so that you can see. Okay. My family. Now everyone is about their family. Okay. So I want you all to at least write 5 sentences about the family. So we are going to start writing about my family. आपके फैमिली में कितने लोग हैं आप वो लिखने वाले हो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. ओके. सो माय फैमिली consists of My mother, father, elder brother, and me. So this is going to be your first sentence. We all stay together and eat our food daily, sitting next to each other. So आपको आपकी फैमिली के बारे में लिखना है. You just don't have to copy what ma'am is writing. So सोचिए आपके फैमिली में ऐसे भी हो सकता है that your family is a bigger family. You might have grandfather and grandmother staying with you, or you might have a dog or a cat. So dog and cat is also a part of family. So yes, I also
Yeah, ma'am.
have a dog named, I'm writing because I have a dog. So if you have a cat, or if you have a turtle, parrot, or fish, you can write anything about it. Yes. So think what all you can write about your family. I love my family a lot, and we have lots of fun when we are together. Yay! So we are writing about our family. So you have to think. I can see everyone writing. That's so nice. So think what all you can write about your family.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes, you're writing. That's nice. Good.
Mama, I am also writing.
Wow. Good, Mayank.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also writing.
Good.
How many lines you have to write?
Hello.
You can write as much as you want or as much as you can, but five lines to compulsory लिखना है. Okay?
ma'am. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
हेलो मैम. हेलो.
Hello, ma'am. बोलिए.
हाँ मुझे
Yes,
जरा.
ma'am. You're audible.
हाँ मेरे लड़के को ना अभी वो जो आपने वो बोला ना वो कौन सी विंडो में जाना है सेकंड के आप बताएंगे क्या प्लीज.
So, ma'am, we have to. Ma'am, जो ये second slide है वो कैसे open करनी है?
नहीं हाँ सेकंड स्लाइड.
Yes, ma'am. So we will go here on the left side. Left side पे जब आप new slide पे click करते हो, so आपको फिर से options आ जाएंगे. इतने सारे. So उसमें से आपको title and content वाला option select करना है.
हाँ टाइटल एंड कंटेंट्स. हाँ.
Yeah. So when you click on title and content, ये वाला slide आपको open हो जाएगा.
ओके. हाँ. ओके तो फिर इसमें लिखना है क्या फिर.
Yes, ma'am. Now they are going to write about their family.
ओके. कैन यू प्लीज वेट फॉर अ मिनट.
Yes, ma'am. I'm giving them time to write.
ओके.
Yes. सारे बच्चे सोचिए what all you can write about your family. You can also write that your mom cooks amazing food, delicious food. Your dad helps you with playing. Think what all you can write. सोचिए और क्या क्या लिख सकते हो. If you enjoy playing with your sister or your brother, you can write that. You have to write it by yourself, okay? So I'm going to stop this, else you will copy this only. So आप खुद से लिखना है. So I'm going to stop this slide for some time so that you write by yourself.
Kisha ma'am.
Yes, बच्चा.
Done ma'am.
Done. Good boy. Good, Mayank. So we are going to wait for your friend to complete writing.
Ma'am, I have 6 points done.
Oh, your 6 points done. Very good, Ishan. Very nice.
Ma'am, 5 points done.
Okay, no problem, Mayank. 5 points done. Good. You can write as much as you can or as much as you want.
मैं
Yes, Siddhant.
by
Very good. 5 points done. Good. Very nice, Arjun. Wow, I can see. Yes, Sanjeevni. Wow. My family have 4 members. Okay, wow. मैं सबका assignment देखने वाली हूँ. You all are going to share it with me. So I will read about everyone's family.
Yes,
पक्का
ma'am.
पढ़ूंगी मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll just wait for your friends to do it. Finish it up. Okay. So अब ये जो my family लिखा हुआ है, this my family, it's in corner, right? ये एक साइड में हो गया है, एक कॉर्नर में हो गया है, and we want to get it in center. अब इसको हमें सेंटर में लाना है. So how we will do that? यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है, okay? So just look at the screen which I am showing you now. So this is on one side, ये एक साइड में आ गया है. So when you click here, okay? When you click on this thing, center, ये automatically center पे आ जाता है. All right? Yes. So now your title is in center. Okay? Yes. Okay. Done. All right. So now this is in center. This is in proper lines. I have written 4 sentences. Some of you have written 5. Some of you have written 6. That's great. Okay. So now should we go on the next part? अब एक और interesting चीज सीखे इसमें? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So now what are we going to do here is I am going to insert my family photo here. Okay, but I am going to show you how it's done. So again you go on new slide. आप फिर से नए slide पे जाइए and there is an option of blank. Okay, so there is an option of blank. So you select the blank option here. So a blank page opens up. एक पूरा blank page आ जाता है आपके सामने. So when you click on, when the blank page is open, जैसे हमने word में सीखा, हम जाएंगे insert के पास. We'll go in insert option. We'll go on pictures option. और मेरे लैपटॉप में मेरी फैमिली की फोटो है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू गो ऑन दिस डिवाइस। सो जैसे मैं दिस डिवाइस में जाती हूँ, आई गेट माय फैमिली फोटो हियर।
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Yes, repeating it again. So you go on the new slide option. There is an option of yes. Yes, Balaji, repeating.
Ma'am,
आप blank.
I don't have family.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
Can put
अगर
any-
आपके नो प्रॉब्लम बच्चा, अगर आपके लैपटॉप में या आपके कंप्यूटर में
Can you put any other photo?
यस एग्जैक्टली दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज गोइंग टू से कि कोई प्रॉब्लम
I got
नहीं है
it.
अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर आपके लैपटॉप में या आपके कंप्यूटर में अगर फैमिली का फोटो नहीं है तो यू कैन पुट एनी अदर फोटो। आई विल ऑल्सो टीच यू हाउ दैट टू बी डन। ये कैसे करना है वो भी मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी। पहले ये स्टेप सिखाती हूँ, देन आई विल टीच यू। ओके, सो यू गो ऑन टू द न्यू स्लाइड, यू क्लिक ऑन द ब्लैंक। सो जैसे ब्लैंक पे आप क्लिक करते हो एक ब्लैंक शीट आ जाती है। नाउ इट इज फॉर दोज, ये उन लोगों के लिए जिनके अगर लैपटॉप में या डेस्कटॉप में कंप्यूटर टैब में अगर फैमिली फोटो नहीं है। सो व्हाट यू डू, यू गो ऑन इंसर्ट, यू गो ऑन पिक्चर्स एंड यू गो ऑन ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स। आप ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स पे क्लिक करो और आप यहाँ पे ऊपर लिख सकते हो फैमिली। So you will get a lot of family pictures. Okay? Family clip art अगर आप डालते हो तो देखो कितने सारे फैमिली पिक्चर्स आ गए हैं। तो अभी अगर आपके साथ आपके नाना नानी या दादा दादी रहते तो आप वो फोटो डाल सकते हो। अगर आप सिर्फ अपने मम्मा पापा के साथ रहते हो तो आप वो फोटो डाल सकते हो। See, there are so many photos here. You can select any photos. See, यहाँ इस वाले फोटो में तो यहाँ पे एक डॉग भी है।
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you please explain again?
yes, I will explain it again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ayush, yes, I will just do it. So what you have to go do is you go on the new slide. You have clicked on the blank, so आपका blank screen open हो गया है. Then you go on insert. So when you click on insert, there is an option of pictures. अगर आपके डेस्कटॉप में अगर आपके लैपटॉप में पिक्चर्स अवेलेबल है तो आप दिस डिवाइस पे क्लिक करोगे। अगर आपके लैपटॉप में या आपके डेस्कटॉप में कोई भी पिक्चर नहीं है आपके फैमिली का तो आप ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स पे क्लिक करोगे। तो जैसे आप ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स पे क्लिक करते हो आपके सामने ये स्क्रीन आ जाती है और आप यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखोगे फैमिली क्लिप आर्ट। ओके, फैमिली क्लिप आर्ट। सो जैसे आपने फैमिली क्लिप आर्ट पे क्लिक किया आपके पास कितने सारे ऑप्शंस आ जाते हैं। सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट विच एवर फैमिली फोटो यू वांट टू पुट। आप इसमें से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। अगर आप अपने नाना नानी या दादा दादी के साथ रहते हो तो ये फैमिली फोटो आप डाल सकते हो। इफ यू आर स्टेइंग ओनली विथ योर मॉम एंड डैड तो आप ये फैमिली फोटो डाल सकते हो।
Yeah.
यस, इफ देयर इज अ डॉग इन योर फैमिली सो आप ये डॉग के साथ फोटो डाल सकते हो।
Yeah.
There are
Thank you
so
for explaining
many
again, ma'am.
options. Thank you so much, bacha. So yes, so you can select any family photo that you like. And you just have to click on the insert option.
Ma'am,
So
can you
देखो,
excuse me, ma'am? Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
repeat the step on searching the clip out?
Okay. Slide.
sorry, please, can we go one by one?
Yeah, please. Can you Swastik, quiet, please. Once. Sorry, ma'am. Can you please explain once more the step to search the clip art? The way you
Search.
explain. Hanji.
Okay.
The way you
Okay.
explain
Yes,
right clip art, where to write.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just do it. Okay. So you go on insert. There is an option of pictures. You click on pictures, then there are two options you get. Kuch devices mein again. So if your laptop or if your desktop is not a updated version, so you might not get an option of online pictures. Okay, but if you get an option of online pictures, you click on that, and ये एक बड़ी screen आपके सामने आ जाती है. And this is where you can actually start writing. So there is an option of search bar here. So all you have to do is you have to just write family clip art.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, family clip art, and then you will get so many options. Whichever photo you select, आप जैसे उसको प्रेस करते हो वो हाईलाइट हो जाएगा, उसके ऊपर एक टिक आ जाता है, and all you have to do is just press the insert button. Okay, so I have now got two photos here. One is my family photo. So I have my family photo here, and one is another family photo here. So we have got two family photos. Okay. So once you are done, you can just show me a thumbs up. Again, इसके लिए भी मेरे पास option है. If by any chance your laptop is not an updated version and you're not getting an option of online pictures, you can just directly click on Google. Once you go on Google, you can just put family clip art and then you can just copy paste it. Direct copy paste भी हो जाता है. Without downloading, you can copy paste. So do I need to show how to do it without downloading the copy paste? Okay, I guess this can be done. Okay. So show me a thumbs up if you have your family photo inserted. Yay! Manas is so happy. Manas, show me which photo you have inserted. Oh wow! So he has got a family photo. Wow.
Ma'am, we have also done.
That's so nice. Good. Good. Joanne. Okay. That's nice.
Family tree.
Yes. Great.
I'm so done.
Good, Pranav. So is it interesting? ये interesting है? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yes, Ishan, good.
मैं
Is
पूरी
it
फैमिली डाल दी है.
क्या हो गया?
मैं पूरी फैमिली डाल दी है.
पूरा फैमिली का फोटो डाल दिया? Good.
Yes.
Good. So is it interesting? ये interesting है या नहीं है?
Yes,
है? Yes, है? सौरिक नई इंटरेस्टिंग चीज सीखे अभी? बालाजी, you have put penguin's photo. You like penguin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's so sweet. Okay. So now we are going to learn another interesting thing. इसमें और एक हम interesting चीज सीखने वाले हैं. वो ये है कि you go back to the My Family वाला slide, जहाँ पे आपने सब कुछ लिखा था, उस पे जाइए. उस पे जाइए. My Family वाले slide पे जाइए, जिस पे you have the pointers written. Okay, and you select all the points. Select सब points select करना है. Okay, everything should be highlighted, everything should be in gray. Now what we are going to do is, this is the interesting part. See, here there is an option of smart art. आपको ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे स्मार्ट आर्ट का? You click on the smart art option and you get a lot of options here. आपको बहुत सारे options मिलेंगे यहाँ पे. When you click on smart art, see, this is how you will get options here. This is how you will get options here. So I'm going to select this option and okay. right. Smart art, you click on smart art. There are so many options here.
Ma'am, can I take any options?
Yes, you can select any options that you want. Yes. Any options that you like. कितने सारे options है उसमें?
Ma'am, where we have to go for this?
Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, what you have to do, you have to click on the insert option and there is an option of smart art. So once you click on smart art, जब आप smart art पे जाते हो, आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाते हैं. So they can select any option from there. And see, when you select any option from there, this is how you can make the changes.
Ma'am, how to do it? Can you show it again? We didn't see it.
Yes, okay बच्चा. I will show it to you. आपको क्या करना है? आपको insert पे जाना है. You click on insert. Once you click on insert, you get an option of smart art. आपको smart art का option दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे. Right below 3D models. So once you click on smart art, you get these many options. आपको कितने options दिखाई दे रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am, we can see it.
Yes. So now from these options, you can select any option given. Okay. So I have selected this option. Now I can change it. मैं अभी भी इसको change कर सकती हूँ.
Ma'am, what should we write in that?
You don't have to write anything in that. जो आपने text में लिखा था ना बच्चा, that will only come here. What
Okay,
we already. Yes. See what I already wrote in my family, वही सब अभी smart art में convert हो गया. पहले तो वैसे normal लिख रहा था ना, लिखा हुआ line में in a single line. Now it's converted into smart art. Okay, stop scribbling on the screen. Thank you, bachas. Don't scribble on the screen. Yes. Now you can change. See, मैं यहाँ से change कर सकती हूँ.
Like this only, ma'am. We are unable to change it.
Okay, ma'am. If that is happening, if you are unable to change it, I will just show.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. ऐसा आता है, ma'am.
Ma'am, अगर वैसा हो रहा है, see, if that is happening,
Yes, ma'am.
then you click on this option. Is this option coming here? The arrow option. The arrow option is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you click on the arrow option, these are the options that comes here. Type your text.
Ma'am, वो नहीं आता है, ma'am.
Type your text option.
Type करना.
Ma'am, see, you click on this box.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. They just have to copy paste what. There is this arrow. You click on the arrow. Then there is these are the options of writing the text. And then later on, it can be changed into like this.
Ma'am, may I tell one thing if it is visible? Once you have selected the text in that, if we do a right click after selecting, there is a convert to smart art option. They can do through that possibly.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, so sir has helped us with another option. What you can do is, I will show it to you. Just a minute. क्या कर सकते हैं हम? See, if this is how it is, अगर ऐसा है आपके पास अभी भी स्क्रीन में, so you select it all and you here comes an option of convert into smart art. Yes, I will show it again. You select the complete text. आप इसको completely select कीजिए.
This one is working.
Yes. And then
What sir told?
Yes.
What sir told? Working. Yes.
That's working. Great.
Nine.
Thank
Then
you,
you
sir.
click. Thank you so much, sir. Then you click on the right cursor and then you convert it into smart art. They can select whichever they want to select. It's just a fun part of writing it.
मैम नहीं हो रहा.
अभी भी नहीं हो रहा बच्चा? अर्जुन वेट, जस्ट वो जो है वो रिमूव कर दो. I will show it to you. Remove it. This text वाला जो part है, that blue part. Delete it all.
We see, ma'am, our screen, it comes like this, text everywhere.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just delete that part. How you can delete it? The easy way.
You have to do show the same thing. Text. But we can get whatever you are showing.
Okay. The easy way to delete it is just press Control and Z. So the steps will go back to the original one. Just click on Control and Z.
What, ma'am?
Together. Control and Z. Click on Control and Z. अगर आपके इसमें text आ रहा है, I will just show a simple way. Yes, ma'am.
I think it should. What people are doing is directly clicking on smart art. The option here is convert to smart art.
Convert to smart art. Exactly. That is what I'm showing again. Yes. आपके इसमें क्यों आ रहा है the text part is because we have to convert it into the smart art. From the normal text, we have to convert into the smart art. So what I want you all to do is you select it all. आप इसको select कीजिए पूरा completely. Make it all gray. Then make a right click. Once you right click it, there are so many options which you will get. इतने सारे options आएंगे आपको. Are these options there available to you? Then there is an option of convert to smart art. So there is an option of convert to smart art. So once you click on convert to smart art, then it will get converted into smart art like this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not able to select all in my other laptop because there where my finger is like the space is finished, then it stopped to highlight it. The gray
Ma'am, ma'am, what you can do is the space bar button. You get the space bar button on the first word and just click it there. So click on the left button and just drag it all. Just drag. We need to use 2 fingers. Just drag.
Convert smart art, it is not showing, ma'am. Only smart art only it is showing. Convert to smart art is not there.
Ma'am, can I see your screen if that is possible?
Yeah.
Did you? Mom, my network has gone.
One by one, babies. One by one. One by one, babies. Okay. I guess I have somewhere lost. Okay. Yes, Arna has done it so nicely. Harshit, what you have to do? Yes, you have selected it. Now, once you selected it, you press the left button. Left button पे press कीजिए. Click on the left button.
Which left button, ma'am?
Ma'am, ma'am, can you see here the left button?
1 second, ma'am. Hold for a minute.
Click on the left button on the screen. Okay. I guess yes.
Ma'am, not able to select all.
Ma'am, you just have to click and drag. It should be there. Okay.
Akanksha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Akanksha ma'am. Saumitra's mother here. Actually,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are doing on tab. तो टैब पे भी वो नहीं सिलेक्ट हो रहा है सब कुछ.
Ma'am, tab पे तो उल्टा it should happen more easily because it's just you have to use 2 buttons and drag it.
वो zoom out हो रहा है और मैम zoom in हो रहा है.
Ma'am, just let me show it to you. Just let me show it to you, ma'am. Okay, so can you see all my screen? It's too much dark. So yes, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Yeah, ma'am.
It's not dark, I hope.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. So ma'am, what you have to do is here on this screen, like if I want to select this text message, what I'm going to do, I will just press on this text message. Once I press on this text message, okay, it's gone back.
Say Hanasha. Hanasha.
Yes.
Can't see you.
Am I audible and am I visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So if you are using a tab, okay. So for tab, what option is there? You have to just press the text. Once you press the text, you keep the text pressed. Okay. I don't know which phone app or which you are using it. So I can just suggest for iOS. So once you press it, and it will all get gray. It will all get gray, and there is an option of select all. Are you getting this option of select all?
Ma'am, I'm doing on laptop only, the other laptop.
Okay.
But
So ma'am,
look, ma'am, if I'm selecting till where my I'm not able to select the full text.
okay, you're not able to select. Ma'am, the way you have selected these two sentences, the one which went in blue, the same way we have to select it all. You just have to press from this finger, you have to press the left button, and from this finger you have to drag it. I will show it to you again. So is my, I just need to quote from my, okay. So yes, I will just show it to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My screen gets visible here.
Recording in progress.
Okay. So yes. Okay. So yes, is my keypad visible now to all?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. And my also another screen is also visible where the
Yeah,
text
ma'am.
is written.
Yeah.
Great. What I am doing is, yes. What I am doing is, I am just going to click, and from this option, I am just dragging it all. This is how we just have to drag. One button is here on this key. So these are two keys actually. So one button is here on this key, one button is here. I'm just putting my finger, click and drag. And then I click on the left, and then there is an option of convert to smart art. Is it coming now for all?
Ma'am.
Yes, Sanjeevni. Wow. You have done it in circle.
Yes.
That's so nice.
Ma'am, I have written by my family.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So nice.
Swasti, very good.
If you're still not able to do it, Soumitra, I guess, is doing on tab and it's difficult to do it on tab.
Yes, ma'am, it's not happening. बाकी सब हुआ पर ये नहीं हो रहा है अभी जो
स्मार्ट आर्ट वाला नहीं हो रहा है.
सब्सक्रिप्शन मैम, इट्स आस्किंग फॉर मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शन, वो आ रहा है.
Okay, it might be difficult to do it on tab because yes, these things we get free of cost on laptop or computer, but for tab they ask you to subscribe it.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
this
it's
might
asking for subscription. बाकी
Exactly.
सब हुआ, insert picture वगैरह सब हुआ, but it's asking for ma'am, it's asking for monthly subscription.
Okay. So that is the only part which he won't be able to do probably. Other than that, he has done everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. बाकी सब हुआ. मैंने दूसरा भी Microsoft PowerPoint डाउनलोड किया, उसमें भी वही पूछ रहा है वो कि you have to.
So they have to you have to subscribe it to use it. It's a smart thing. Okay, so we have made 4 slides today. आज सारे बच्चों ने 4 स्लाइड बनाए हैं. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we come to the last part of it. अभी हम last part की तरफ जाते हैं and the last part is very interesting and very simple thing to do. All you have to do is you again go back on the first slide. First slide पे जाइए and there is an option of design. एक option है home का, एक option है insert का और insert के ही side में option आता है design का. So you click on design. And see, there are so many designs that you will get here. Wow. So colorful designs. Oh, wow. You can select whichever you want to select. So Mayank, tell me which one should I select? आप मुझे बताओ मैं कौन सा select करूँ इसमें से? You tell me a number. Which number?
Ma'am, green.
Okay, should I select the green one? Okay, let me just go again. Okay, so yes, the green one, this one.
Yes.
Okay, so as Mayank has said, I am going for the green one. So ये देखो, अब मेरे सारे के सारे slides green color में हो गए हैं. This is my first slide, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Interesting. You can select whichever you want. आपको जो चाहिए आप select कर सकते हो इसमें से. Yes. So select colorful जो आपको पसंद आते हैं.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Sanjeevni.
Blue
Yes,
and
you can select whichever you want. Select करो कोई भी आपको जो पसंद है. Very nice. It will make your whole presentation of the same color. Yes, very good, Manas. I can see blue color one done by Manas and Joan. Sorry, can I just know the pronunciation of it so that I don't call it wrong?
It's Joanne.
Joanne. Okay. Wow, that's so nice. Mamsi, great. Good. Good. Sai, Arjun, Nimisha. I can see so many combination of blue. So I guess blue color पसंद है बहुत बच्चों को. So many of you doing it blue. Arya.
Ma'am, I have done black.
Black. Very nice. Okay. Harshit. So nice. Arjun the adorable. Yes, no doubt you are the adorable bacha. Rija. Good. Balaji. Good. Nice. अब इसके साथ ही हम कर रहे हैं last
We don't have this
step.
option at all. So we can't be able to do all these things. We don't have the design or the convert to smart also. So being an old PC, I think so it is not possible for us to do all these things.
Okay, please can I know the name? I am not able to find
Abhishru,
it.
Abhishru Devkar.
Okay, so he's not able to do it.
No, we don't have that options in our PC. The insert option we do have, but the convert to smart option is not there. Now the design option is there.
Okay, so sir, I would request you, so just kindly click the photo of what is coming on PowerPoint presentation and send it to me personally. I will check. Instead of that, what we can do, and we will suggest accordingly.
Okay, definitely.
The child should not get disheartened. Yes.
Yes, I will send it.
Yes, thank you.
Definitely. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. ये so अब करते हैं एक लास्ट काम. Now ये अभी तो हमें छोटा छोटा दिखाई दे रहा है ना. We can see it small. So we are going to see it in a big picture, big screen पे देखेंगे. So what you all are going to do now? There is an option here. आप सबसे ऊपर लेफ्ट साइड पे देखो, यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन आता है. And when you click on that option, it looks like this, big on screen. Can you see it all? ये स्क्रीन पे कितना बड़ा दिख रहा है, मेरे पूरे स्क्रीन कवर हो गया इसमें. ये
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay, ma'am, there is an option here on the left side on the top which says start from beginning. If not that, अगर ये ऑप्शन नहीं है तो आपको राइट साइड में कॉर्नर पे यहाँ पे स्लाइड शो का ऑप्शन आता है. So once you click on the slideshow option, it gets the bigger one and the whole complete screen is covered. Yes. You got option of slideshow. Okay. अब आपको क्या करना है? आपको सिर्फ जो आपका जो कीपैड है उसमें से जो नेक्स्ट वाला ऑप्शन है उस पे क्लिक करो. ये देखो आपको ऐसे दिखाई देगा. Wow. See how I can see it on my screen. So my family, then my smart art, then the photo, another photo, and the end. Yes. Okay, bacha, stop scribbling on my screen. Okay. If you have not got it, again I will explain. There is an option. यहाँ पे you can see my cursor. Here there is an option on the left corner which states start from beginning. अगर वो ऑप्शन आपको नहीं आ रहा है, then on the right corner यहाँ पे एकदम नीचे के साइड में there is an option of slideshow. So even if you click on the slideshow, the slide will open up. Okay, now I want to see all this. Yes. Okay, I can see Manas slideshow is open.
Ma'am, can you please explain again?
Yes, Ayush. I will quickly explain it again.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you, ma'am.
No problem, bacha. Okay. See, there is an option here, right side down. यहाँ पे आपको options दिखाई दे रहे हैं.
Yeah, ma'am.
आयुष, so इसमें से ये वाला select करना है option. जहाँ पे आपको एक screen जैसे दिखाई देता है. You select this option. See here, there is an option.
Yeah.
Just right next to the notebook, there is this option.
Yeah, ma'am.
You click on that and your slideshow begins.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for repeating.
Yes. See? Now I want to see everyone's slideshow जो मेरे साथ share कर सकते हैं. Okay. Manas slideshow is there. Dev's slideshow I can see. Arna slideshow I can see. Ananya slideshow I can see. Great. Vamsi, very nice. Beautiful. Balaji. थोड़ा सा कैमरा ऊपर करना पड़ेगा. Omkar, yes, you have to start the slideshow. Excellent. Now I can see Omkar's slideshow, Balaji's slideshow, Vamsi,
Ma'am.
Arjun, the adorable, Arna, Rigved, Somitra. Yes, did it. Great. S. Mali, Sanjeevni. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
we are showing you the
Yes, Balaji. Great. Arna, nice. Good. Good. Everyone has done the slideshow so nicely. Very good. Joanne, yes.
Yes.
Nice, Pooja. Good, good, good. So quickly pat on your back. Pat your back, pat your back. Hey, pat your back.
Very nice, beta.
Pat your back. Yes. You all did such a great job today. You all did such a great job. Pat your back. Very nice. So, PowerPoint presentation सीख के मजा आया? This is known as PowerPoint
मजा आया था.
presentation.
Yes.
Yes. Great.
बहुत मजा आया मैम.
Yes, so you all are going to practice it now for a day. आप आज और कल में ये practice करने वाले हो. आप कुछ और topic पे presentation बनाओगे, okay? You can make presentation on anything that you like, and you are going to share it with me. All right? So आज और कल में practice करना है और मेरे साथ share करना है. All right? Yes,
ma'am.
Great. Thank you, Pranav. Yes, Arna. Good. Okay then.
क्या टॉपिक होगा मैम? फ्राइडे का टॉपिक क्या होगा?
Yes, ma'am. Friday I'm going to teach them Excel, Microsoft Excel.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay मैम.
Yay. Chalo then. Bye bye. Take
Bye,
care. Bye. Yes. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we don't like that smart art design, if we want to change that, then again same process we have to follow, or different?
No, ma'am. So for the smart art,
Yes, ma'am. Smart art.
no, ma'am. There is no. You don't have to make the whole process. Like पूरा process नहीं करना है. Once you select on the convert to smart art, you automatically start getting options. आपको ऊपर के साइड में automatic options आते हैं. Even if you click on any options, that will start coming up. You don't have to do the same process again.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay then. Bye bye. See you all.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for repeating my doubts, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.